When you want to delete an app from your Android phone, you probably do what most people do. You press and hold on it and just tap on uninstall. However, did you know that it doesn't actually delete all of the data associated with that app? It leaves behind all sorts of data on your Android phone if you don't go through specific steps to be able to delete that, and then over time downloading and installing lots of apps and then deleting them can basically accumulate a huge amount of data on your phone that you're not actually using. I'm going to show you the steps that you should take instead. Now let's use Facebook as the example. So if I press and hold on the Facebook app and tap on uninstall, it just says, do you want to uninstall this? And great, it will delete the Facebook app. But this doesn't actually delete out all of the caches and files and logs associated with that app. So take your finger and swipe up and find the Files app. You can just tap on search also and just search for Files and tap on My Files or the Google Files app and tap on Internal Storage. You'll be able to see all of the internal storage files that are taking up space on your Android phone, and in a lot of cases either in the internal storage or also in installation files or documents or other places on your phone. There'll be caches and logs and data that you didn't necessarily mean to keep on your phone, even though you deleted, say, that Facebook app or any other app. So the correct process to be able to delete these, to make sure you've deleted everything associated with that app, is to swipe up and open up the Settings app on your Android phone. From here, scroll down, tap on Apps, and then find that app. So in this case, Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Another way to access this, if you don't see this in the menu, is to just press and hold on the Facebook app. And at the top right, you'll see a little I symbol. Just tap on the I for information, and you get directly to that app's information. After you've done that, scroll down, tap on Storage at the bottom. You can see the app is just taking up 500 megabytes, but data 400 megabytes, the cache 42 megabytes, etc. So we're going to tap Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data and tap Delete. This deletes out all of the data and the cached files associated with that app, and now we're good to go to delete the app. Tap the back arrow, and now you can tap on Uninstall and then OK, uninstall it. However, this is for apps going forward. You might be thinking to yourself, well, I've deleted tons of apps on my Android phone. What do I do with all of those old files that could be lingering around on my phone? And the best way to handle those is to tap on the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right, and we're going to just search for Clean Storage and hit Search. Now you can see a number of different apps that will do this. I really like this AVG Cleaner. You can see 100 million plus downloads, 4.6 stars. So just tap Install and I'll show you exactly how this works to clean up all of those files that you don't need anymore on your phone. After it's done installing, tap the Open button and I'll walk you through how this works. Tap Get Started. And then you'll have to go through a few things. Tap Continue, swipe through all of these. And now it says, do you want to pay for it? But you don't need to pay for this. Just tap the back arrow at the top left, and then tap the X at the top left. And now you can see it says use space, 42%. I'm going to tap Start here, and I'll need to give it some permission to access my phone to be able to help clean up those files. So tap Give Us Access, tap Go to Settings, and turn this on. Tap Go to Settings, and again scroll down and turn on AVG Cleaner. And now finally permissions, you don't necessarily need to do that. And now it says scan for junk files. Just tap on that and it will start to scan for all of those junk files. You can see, all right, it has basically done it. You're all set, ready to clean. Tap see results at the bottom. And you can see hidden caches, visible cache, thumbnails, empty folders, as well as trash, which I can include. Keep in mind, some of these are paid for. If I tap on hidden caches, for instance, it does say that you need to pay to have a deep clean. You can choose whether to do this or not, but you can also just do the free version just by going back out of here and then tap on finish cleaning at the bottom, and it will clean out all of those files you don't need anymore on your Android phone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.